If you are into cheap smartwatches, then there's a lot of options out there, but today in particular we have the Lifebee smartwatch, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox and give my first impression. And this is waterproof, IP68, and it does track your steps and is probably very suited for those people who are very sporty, I'd say. So this could definitely be for you if you're into that kind of stuff. So let's stop wasting any more time and jump into a video. Okay, before I go ahead and unbox this, there's a few things on the box itself that you should probably know. And one of those things is that you have this QR code at the back of the box that if you scan it with your smartphone, you can download this app. I think it's called VeriFit Pro, and all the information that your smartwatch gathers of your fitness or whatever, it will transfer on your smartphone, so you can literally just see all those information in much better screen and bigger screen. At the bottom of it, you also get all these color options. These are literally all the colors you can get with this smartwatch. The color I got is the green one, and that's probably the best color in my opinion. If you disagree, argue with yourself in the comments. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Here you have your charger. You can see it's a pretty nice charger. Actually not bad. I say it's pretty an average size. It's pretty average. You can see how long it is, but it's actually pretty average. It's probably the same size as your smartphone charger. Very nice. You get a very big booklet with, I guess, all the information you need. Yeah. Ooh, now the main thing is here. The main thing is here. Whoa, this feels very nice. It feels very, very nice. I guess this is where the charger goes. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. Whoa, the screen actually is feels pretty nice. It's actually made very well. This whole thing feels very good to me. Actually feels quite good. Okay, before you can turn this on, you actually have to put it in charge. It's already a charger at 92%, I think, but you have to put it in charge at least for a couple seconds, and it will turn on. That's the only way you can turn this smartwatch on. And once you did that, you don't have to wait for it to charge or anything. You can just straight away disconnect it and you can use it. And to be honest, I'm actually quite impressed. The screen is pretty decent actually. By the way guys, this is only £40. Yeah, £40. I think on sale right now is for about £38 or something like that. Just, yeah. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks actually pretty good. Of course, it's not really full screen. It does cut out a lot of screen. It's not edge to edge. The resolution of the display is actually pretty good. And yeah, I don't think you can really tell from the thing from my, but it's actually pretty nice. It feels very good. It's very smooth when you do up and down, but when you do it sideways, it's not that smooth for some reason. But as you can see, the Q and then to go back, you have to just press it twice or press it once to go down, and then you have sport, relax, all of that. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wear this. Whoa, actually fits proper nicely. And you see, you just have to tilt it upwards and then it will turn on. Yep. The material, the way this fits, actually I really like it. I think if you want a cheap smartwatch and you just someone that just needs it for fitness or something, I think this should really do it. yeah, make sure to subscribe because in a few weeks I'm gonna release the full review of this, and I'm really curious to see what this has to offer. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead, download the app, connect it to my phone. Let's see what this has to offer. Stay tuned for the full review and smash that like button. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, it just tells me what you guys like, so make sure to go ahead and do that. And leave a comment what you think about this smartwatch. I'm really curious to see what everyone else thinks. I think these are so far look pretty decent to me. Not pretty decent, pretty good to me actually. I think I would probably fall in love with them if this was full screen, full display. But actually, not too bad. Material itself feels good as well. Of course, he is made of plastic and everything, but he's rubber. And yeah, guys, hope you have a nice day, amazing day, and see you next time.